Pandey here. Here is the Apple Pencil, which is the first gen edition, and the iPad, which is 9th gen 2021 edition. This is a basic iPad. It is 64GB variant. It comes under two variants, 64GB and 256GB. The packing of Apple products are very satisfying. I actually did the unboxing part in the store itself, and I'm unboxing it again for the sake of the video. Here we got some paperwork which is actually of no use. But here we got some Apple stickers which we can use to paste it somewhere around. A 20-watt charger, and a type space gray variant. Let's boot it. I already did the setup part. If you want a video on the setup, then let me know in the comment. Let's keep it aside and unbox our pencil. Here comes the pencil with a good packing. Inside the box, they gave a tip and a connector to charge pencil, and some paperwork and a pencil, of course. The pencil is nicely wrapped up in a plastic. Let's try the pencil on iPad. Let's pair the pencil with iPad. It has paired up. I'm going to use GoodNotes. So let's open the GoodNotes. Let me write my name. This is the video. Thank you guys for watching.